Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm your math teacher. I'm Shagufta Maqbool. Today our topic is comparing numbers up to 100. Up to 100 numbers are given here. You are seeing here question number 1. Write greater or less. Look at here, this is sign. This open mouse is this open sign or open mouth is showing of this sign that it is for greater number. We will have to put towards it greater number, and this pointed end of the sign, and this is the pointed end of the sign is always towards the smaller number. A is here 46 dash 70. So you will have to compare this number to this number. 46, 4 is here and 7 is here. 4 tens mean 40 and 7 tens mean 70. 4 tens 6, 46 and 7 tens make together 70. So which number is greater and which is lesser? 46 is less than 70. Look at here, this open face will move towards the bigger or greater number. 29 dash 20. 2 is here, 2 is here, so you will have to compare these two numbers. 2 is here, 2 is here. 2 tens make together 20. 2 tens make together 20. How many ones are here? 9 ones are here and 0 is here. 29 and 20. Which number is greater? This is greater, so I will put sign like this way. Open face always go towards the bigger or greater number. 29 is greater than 20. Next one is C is here. 81. You are seeing here 81 is here. 81 and 18 is here. 8 mean 8 tens and 1 mean 1 ten. 81 and 18, so this is greater number or bigger number. 18 is greater than 18. 0 is here. 0 dash 100. Look at here, you are seeing here 3 digits are here. You are seeing this is 100, here is 0. Which is bigger number? Definitely 100 is the bigger number, so you will have to put sign. 0 is smaller than 100. Next one is 99 dash 20. After doing part A, B, C, D, now E is here. 99 dash 20, it's mean 9 tens are here. 9 tens make together 90. 99 is greater than 20. 28, 2 tens are here. 2 tens are here. Now let's see, 8 is here and 2 is here. Now we will have to compare. 8 ones are here and 0 ones is here. 2 tens and 2 tens. 20 and 20. 8 ones and 0 ones. 28 is greater than 20. Next one is 40 dash 49. 4 tens, 0 ones and 9 ones. 49 is greater number, so open face we will have to put towards 49. H is here. 10 dash 18. 10 is smaller than 10 dash 80. Definitely 10 is smaller than 80. Next is I part. 9 is dash 100. 9 it is smaller than 100. Next 10 is dash than 80. 10 is again I am going to tell you smaller than 80. 85 dash 58. 85 is greater than 58. Now student, I am going to read these signs again, and these numbers that are given here we can spell, and we can have to put like this way. 46 is less than 70, 29 is greater than 20, 81 is greater than 18, 0 is less than 100, 99 is greater than 20, 28 is greater than 20, 40 is less than, look at here, I am showing you, 40 is less than 49, 10 is less than 80, 9 is less than 100, and 100 is less than 80, and 85 is greater than 58. We read from, look at here students, we read from left to right. We read from left to right. Okay students, with the help of this video, you can complete page number 46 by yourself. After watching this video, now you are able to do this work. If you are feeling any difficulty in doing this kind of work, students, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.